welcome. All of the products I am using today are linked below in the description. Also, if the video is too fast, just click on the instructional video for details on how to slow it down. Today I'm going to be experimenting on adding pigment to cement to make this candle jar. Let's get started. First I'm adding about an ounce of water to a cup, and then I'm going to add a few drops of this jet black pigment. Once I do that, then I'll just stir to incorporate. My intent here is to make a slurry, something that's not fully setting cement, but something that I can incorporate into an additional batch of cement that I'll mix later. So I'm just going to add enough cement to give it some texture and then stir that up to incorporate. Once you start mixing the cement, if it dulls like mine did, just add some additional pigment to get it to the color that you're trying to achieve. Now that my slurry is complete, I'm adding another ounce of water to a new cup, and I'm going to make the cement like you would normally. So I'm going to add enough to get to the consistency of, let's say, peanut butter, and while mixing, if at any point it's too thick, just add some additional water. If it's too thin, add some additional cement. But once you have it to the consistency you would like, then go ahead and add some of the slurry into that cement and mix in a swirl pattern. Don't fully mix it, and then you can start pouring that into the mold. As you pour, just pour a little at a time, and then shake the mold to get it to go down on the sides. I made a mess here trying to get this to go down on the sides, but eventually got it where it needed to be. So just continue pouring and shaking the mold. That'll help also make sure that it gets all the way down, as well as get rid of any bubbles that you might have or air pockets. Continue adding the cement into the mold until it's full. Same process of adding the cement and shaking to make sure that you're getting rid of any air pockets. Once you finish the jar, now it's time to work on the lid. Follow the same process that you did for the candle jar on the lid, and then allow that to cure per the manufacturer's instructions. Once the cement is cured, you can go ahead and demold. And my experiment showed me that this pigment, while it does give me some coloration to the cement, it did not really achieve the look of like a marbling or anything of that nature. It definitely gave it a different look and texture and feel than if I had just done plain cement, but I really didn't get the color pop that I was hoping for. That's it, we're done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and press the bell to be alerted to future videos.